Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Paying your MTAG through the HBL mobile app is a simple process that saves you time on the highway. You do not need to wait in long lines for cash payments anymore. First, open the HBL mobile application on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the More button at the bottom and tap it. Next, find the Bill Management section and select the Add option to set up a new payment. You will see a list of categories where you should choose Government Payments from the menu. Scroll down until you find MTAG and select it. Now, you must enter your unique MTAG ID, which is usually linked to your vehicle registration. After entering the ID, tap on Fetch to see your current balance and details. Enter the specific amount of money you want to recharge into your account. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure the information is correct. Tap the Pay button and enter your transaction password or biometric verification to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen and via SMS once the payment is successful. Your MTAG balance will update almost instantly so you can travel without any delays. This digital method is very secure and works 24 hours a day. You can also view your previous payment history within the app to track your travel expenses easily. Always make sure you have a stable internet connection before starting the payment process to avoid errors. The HBL app truly makes managing your highway tolls effortless and very fast.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.